Welcome to Lame Analysis, Lame Creations. We're going to talk about one of my favorite commands, and it's called the Makeresults. As the slide here says, when data doesn't exist, make the results. This is most often used when you're trying to create an alert, such as SOAR Phantom, Enterprise Security, or alerting alerts inside Splunk, or you might be trying to run a command, you want to test something out, but you may not have the data you want to work with, or you want to make a really small data set. You can just make the results and then work with it. So let's show that in action. Make results is actually really simple. Here, all you need to do is do a pipe, make results, and then you just start putting your fields in, like eval. I made a field called foo equals the value bar, eval other equals field, and I can do other stuff to this. I could do a stats count. I mean, you can just start adding stuff on after you run the command. And so basically, you think of the first part as the populating field to give you your log, and then you start doing some manipulation on it. Make results is great. It's when the data doesn't exist, or you want to pump an alert into something, or you got your always save as report, you want to test it. Great method, save as an alert, things like that. Anyway, hope this is helpful. Hope this helps you move from being a lame analyst to a Splunk ninja, and I hope you'll continue coming back for the daily analytics.